Now, another one that I know that some people have used, and I know that some senior citizens will give money to a spouse. So you give some money to your spouse. Again, gifting money to a spouse is tax free, and then that person can generate income, whether it's interest income or capital gains income on that money, right? And because they are in a lower slab, they may not pay tax. A tricky part out here is technically the income tax can say that is really not their income, it's your income, and club it with you. That's the issue that I find some people do, but there is one loophole here, which I don't know, Tarun, again, if you'd like to comment on this, but I know that a lot of people I know have done this and not had any problem with it.
So
Sir, can you clarify this point again, sir?
Yeah.
We are giving money to the spouse.
Yes.
So,
Tarun,
by example, I'll explain you. So this is a practice that everyone uses. Very simple. Let's say I have 50 lakhs with me. If I keep 50 lakhs with me, I do a fixed deposit. I get at a 10% 5 lakh rupees of interest, which becomes taxable in my hand. What I can do out of that 50 lakhs, 25 lakhs I can keep in my bank account. 25 lakhs I just transfer to my wife's bank account. I do an FD. Out of that 25 lakhs, I get a 2.5 lakh interest. My wife gets a 2.5 lakh interest. So both are under the tax net. So both are not taxable.
Okay. Sir, there is no objection from income tax department like this. My wife is a housewife. She's not having any income otherwise, and I have transferred the money in her name. Is it okay, sir?
So if I talk about plain reading of this section, it is not okay, but this is the practice people have been using for so many years and saving taxes on it.
Okay, sir.
Technically, they can try to add her income to yours because that was money you gave her, but it doesn't happen, is what Tarun is saying.
Right, sir.
They are overlooking it right now.
Okay.
It's something that if you have a wife or a spouse who's not earning income, you can use this to some extent.
Right.
So what generally stand we take? We say when we do get any queries from the tax office, we say that this is not a gift that we have given to the wife. This is a loan that we have given to our wife. If they ask, so if it's a loan, then there are no issues. But if we say it's a gift, then there are issues.
Okay, sir.
There's a question here, Tarun. Makbul Khanji is saying, how much money can be transferred in a particular financial year? And the answer is unlimited amounts to your spouse. And remember, we talked about gifts to family members. And again, we defined that very complicated formula for what is a family member. But definitely your wife is a family member. Your children are family members. Your parents are family members, the lineal path. But there are lots of other people who qualify as family members. We can go through that list. But definitely, there's no limit in India, at least, on how much can be transferred in a particular financial year to those people. Is that fair, Tarun?
Yes. No limit on transfer, and it's a long list of family members.
Okay, sir.
Makbulji, is that clear? Any further clarification on that? Okay.
But that gift should your tax or your bank statement should support that gift or money that you're giving to a family member. There should not be a case that you have deposited some cash in the account you're gifting to any of your family member. That creates it. The credit needs to be there while giving a gift.
Yeah, it has to be actual money that's in your bank account, not some money that suddenly appears and suddenly goes away. That will create other problems for you. So this is presumably your own savings that are there in your account.
हमें उम्मीद है कि आपको यह वीडियो अच्छा लगा। हम बहुत रेगुलरली मनी मैटर्स, हेल्थ और एंटरटेनमेंट पर सीनियर सिटीजन्स के लिए एक्सक्लूसिव वीडियोस रिलीज करते हैं। यदि आप हमारे नए वीडियोस को मिस नहीं करना चाहते तो नीचे दिए गए सब्सक्राइब बटन पर क्लिक करें।